Got 3 of the backboards on. I have 2 more, and I could finish it all 5, and that way all 3 sides would be finished. And I have some spare pieces there, some of the ones that I cut off from back there. But I think what I'm gonna do is just put a oak 2x4 across the bottom, and then put an oak 2x4 up, and put windows all the way across. I'll probably put them on hinges so they can, you know, swing open and swing back. They won't be where they can go up and down, but they will probably be where they can swing open. You get a little bit of draft through there. This is mostly going to be for the cool time of the year. It's going to be craft shop, you know, old foot pedal lathes, spring pole lathes, and shaving horses and that type of stuff is all this just going to be. So it'll be more of a cool time than hot time. So the windows won't be that big an issue, but it will be nice probably to have some breeze through there sometimes. But I'm almost done with the wall boards. Now I just got to get started on the all the cross pieces. That's going to be a pretty good job in itself, but probably next week job.